So it's important then, as people move forward, then for us to understand that more. We're not going to get into that level of detail here today, but understanding the appropriate blockchain and why you would use it or why you wouldn't use it is an interesting conversation. I did bring up earlier in the broadcast today that I saw in the news just a couple of days ago that LexisNexis, which, you know, if you don't know, is an information company, provides information in a lot of different areas, legal and other areas, is implementing a blockchain information service for schedule information, for network information in the airlines. And I noticed that they were using Ethereum and Chainlink nodes. Okay, why would they do that? I don't understand. I don't understand networks well enough to know why you would choose something like that.
Most of this information is public. If it is about the aircraft schedules, right? It is a public, and Chainlink allows you to have the information shared across multiple chains. So which means that as an airline, I can be running a different blockchain network. As another airline, I can be running a different blockchain network. But using this process and then publishing this on the Ethereum, then you have all of this information in a way that is coming onto Ethereum. From Ethereum, there can be many people who can consume this information, so that they can pay for this information and consume, right? So that is the reason they have gone for that, so that there is an authenticity, there is a contract that can be executed every time the information is consumed.
Very good, very good. Thank you for answering that.